Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my gold forecast video I have mentioned price retest to the upside 2360 level and dropped again. That is the accurate gold analysis. If you didn't watch, you can go through there, watch that video. So my telegram link is below. We made massive profit from the gold trading last week. You can join with link is below and make massive profit from the gold trading. This is the last Friday gold price dropped to the vertical push to the downside. That's the reason is dollar demand. That's the 2365 to 2320 level price dropped $45 drops. That is the strong of dollar. That's the PMI data was strong last Friday. That is reason for dollar demand and gold push to the downside. That is so forex factory. You can see the flash manufacturing PMI and the services PMI also positive with the US dollar demand. That's the reason gold dropped to the below side. So now you have a sell opportunity gold in next week. I like to get this analysis 4 times frames daily, 4 hour and 1 hour. That 3 times frames. What are the levels you have opportunity get the sell trade? So let's start with the daily time frame. I am in a daily time frame goal. So I am seeing the price is the downtrend line. This is the channel pattern I am seeing. So price is in this pattern is ranging to downside. I am seeing with the daily chart. You can see the this upper side trend line price retested and last Friday from drop from this trend line. This is the sellers are more active in these levels 2365 zone is the sell strong sell zone, and the next week price retest and dropped again. I am hoping with the daily chart. This is the my target is the strong support level is the below 2285.90 level is the strong support level. So I am targeting next week price reach these levels also with the daily chart. So 2286 is the strong support level with the daily chart. So what is the next week economic data regarding US dollar? You should touch with the US dollar economic data if you are trading gold. So next week gross domestic product yearly report, GDP yearly report is there. 1.3% is the previous one. Fed American Central Bank forecast to the increase 1.4%. So GDP quarterly report increased to 1.4 or above. That will help to dollar demand and gold push to the downside. So you should touch with the GDP quarterly report next week. That's the regarding US dollar. That's the more important. So let's see the what is the Fed Watch Tool website says regarding interest rate forecast. So I am in a September interest rate price forecast in Fed Watch Tool website. You can see 59%, 60% forecast to interest rate cut off to 25 bps. So last FOMC meeting, Fed chairperson Powell forecast to one rate cut in this year. Previously they forecast 3 rate cuts. Now going to the one rate cut. Thus the dollar demand is the last FOMC meeting. So Fed rate cut is reduced to one. That you should touch with the this rate cut forecast if you are trading gold. So dollar demand with the this rate cut forecast last FOMC meeting. So let's see the what is the technical analysis with the 4 hour chart goal. So I am going to the 4 hour chart goal. So I am seeing this is the 4 hour chart goal. So I am seeing that this trend lines below trend line price reacted several times in this trend line. So next week I am hoping retest some upside and drop to the breakout to this trend line. You can see price tested several times this trend line. So I am hoping next week some retestment to the upside and break to this trend line. So I am seeing this level is retestment level and break to the this trend line and retest and dropped. then your sell opportunity is the retest area. So wait for the retest, wait for the retest upside. This is your sell opportunity. So I am hoping retestment to 2330-35 level and the breakout to this trend line, and wait for this trend line breakout and wait for the retest this trend line to your sell opportunity in next week. That's the 4 hour chart technically analysis. So this is the your target. So two target 2300 plus target and 2286.85 is the next level target with the dollar demand. So I am hoping gold drop to the below side. So I am going to the another pattern I am seeing in 4 hour chart. That's the Kosimoto pattern. This is the higher high and the price created higher high, and the price and also created lower low is there. That's the QM sell level is there. You can see this level, Kosimoto sell level, the famous pattern for sell. This is the QM sell level 2335 level. So retest to this QM sell level and dropped. That's the another pattern I am seeing in 4 hour chart. So this is your sell opportunity in next week. So that's the your 2335 area is the QM 30 level is the QM sell area with the 4 hour chart. So that's your target is the below trend line. You can target the below trend line price is dropped. That's a sell opportunity in this year in this area. So wait for the retest to this area. So I am going to the 1 hour chart. What are the your sell opportunity? What are the levels you can trade with this trend line? Also invalid in the 1 hour chart. You can see I am using Fibonacci for this downtrend movement to what are the gold levels. So with the Fibonacci you can get the trade. So 0.786 level and 0.618 levels your sell opportunity. This is the first one. You can see 0.786 level, that's the sell opportunity 2230 level, and next 0.618 level is the upper side. That the golden zone is there, is a price retestment area. That's the strong resistance. Also this level you can see that this resistance left side is also that's a strong resistance level in 2335 level, and it is also golden zone Fibonacci 0.618 level, and the two levels can be price retest and dropped again. That's the 1 hour chart. You can get the trade opportunities. That's the opportunities. Wait for the retest and get the confirmation with the candlestick and smaller time frames confirmation to get the trade. So if you are trading gold, market uncertainty is key. If the market uncertainty create if the next week, that can be gold demand, and this in the analysis is not valid with the market uncertainty. So you should touch with it, get the trade from the small time frame confirmation. Risk management is the key for gold trading. So thank you very much.